Christmas is just a few days away, and shoppers are officially doing last-minute shopping. So let's create a festive design quickly, something you can list right away in your digital shop. I'm going to start by grabbing a pre-made Christmas design from the stock templates. This one will work perfectly. First, I'll select all of the text and use the alignment tools to align everything to the left. Now I want to change the typography for Christmas Party. I'm switching it to Citadel, and honestly, this small change completely shifts the vibe of the design. Next, let's replace the current illustration. I'll head over to Elements, then Illustrations, and search for Christmas. I want to keep everything in green tones, so I'm looking for something that matches that vision. This one is perfect. I'll add it to the design and place it in the top right corner. Now that the illustration is in place, we can start playing with color. Using the eyedropper tool, I'll pull a color directly from the illustration for our text. I'll do the same for the background so everything feels cohesive. At this point, I'll give it one final look and make sure I'm happy with how everything looks. This only took a few minutes and turned out really pretty. Go give it a try for your own shop. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like and leave a comment. We really appreciate the support and it helps the channel a lot.